Okay, so this is the Amazfit Bip Lite, the younger brother of everyone's favorite Amazfit Bip. While both of them look similar, this Bip Lite is priced at just 3,999 and comes with an amazing battery that lasts 45 days. But the question is Bip Lite worth 4,000 rupees? Or let me put it this way, is Bip Lite worth getting over the Bip? Well, in my opinion, no. But why? Well, let's find out. This is Pratik from TechWiser.com and here is a comparison of the Amazfit Bip Lite and the Amazfit Bip. Let's start with the build first. Both the watches look exactly the same, kind of like Apple Watch. Anyway, here's what I noticed after a couple of days of usage. The strap quality on the Bip Lite is bad. It caused great annoyance on my wrist and it wasn't the case with the original Bip. Have a look at my wrist. But the deal is, it is swappable, so you can get a good strap from Amazon. So the main selling point of the Amazfit Bip was the inbuilt GPS. Most budget fitness trackers and even big budget fitness trackers like Fitbits don't have an inbuilt GPS. Now what it does is, it can track your path independent of your mobile phone. So when you're heading out for a run, you don't need to carry your phone. The Bip tracks the path and feeds it to the Amazfit app. Now, the Bip Lite doesn't have a GPS, which makes sense. It's the lighter version. It uses the GPS of your phone. But that's not my complaint. The problem is the lack of reliability and accuracy. Okay, have a look. Here's the data from Google Maps. Next, this is from the Amazfit Bip, which is roughly 10% overestimate, which is fair, not bad. Now, this is the data from Amazfit Bip Lite, which is way off and highly inaccurate. But it wasn't connected to the phone's GPS this time, so I connected it and gave it another shot. This time, it was accurate and on par with the Bip, so if you don't carry your phone, accuracy is a huge problem with the Amazfit Bip Lite. Lastly, the Bip Lite lacks the other sensors like barometer and compass, which is useful if you do mountain biking or hiking. I've been using the Bip for about 3 months now and I really love the custom watch faces. Have a look. I have been knocking this Pebble watch face for about a month and these watch faces really add a good flavor, and in case you know a bit of Photoshop and programming, you can create your own custom watch face. Now, on the other hand, the MiFit or the Amazfit app doesn't support adding custom watch faces to the Bip Lite, and I have no clue why. Even the Mi Band 4 has custom watch faces. Now, finally, something which is better in the Bip Lite. The Bip Lite has 45 days of battery life compared to the 30 days of battery life in the Bip. And there are two main reasons for it. Firstly, the bigger 200 mAh battery, and secondly, fewer sensors. Since the battery doesn't have to power the GPS, compass and barometer, it can sustain longer. In my testing, even with heavy usage, I could easily pull off the Bip Lite for about a month. On the other hand, the Bip used to last around 20 to 25 days on heavy usage. The Amazfit Bip costs around 5,500 INR and the Amazfit Bip Lite costs around 4,000 INR. And as much as I want to, I don't find a reason to recommend it. The Amazfit Bip offers more value for money and much more features like built-in GPS, custom watch faces, etc. with just a 1,500 price hike. I would really recommend you to buy the Amazfit Bip and just skip the Amazfit Bip Lite. And moreover, let us know in the comments below if you want us to cover more Amazfit watches like the Amazfit Verge, Amazfit Stratos and Amazfit Pace. And on that note, this is Pratik signing off. See you soon.